everybody! Welcome to my birthday party! My name is Toloa, and here with me today is my cousin...
Lucky.
And me, Lonnie. Hello everyone! Today, we'll be celebrating a very special day of one of our family. It's our cousin Toloa's birthday.
Yes, and while celebrating, we'll also learn new Samoan words. Are you ready?
Lucky, let's start with the word family. How do you say family in Samoan?
Family is Aiga.
Could you repeat the word again? Slowly, please.
Aiga. Family. We love our family.
Yes, we do. We love them so much. And how about cousin, Lucky? How do you say cousin in Samoan?
Cousin in Samoan is Tausoga. Tausoga. Toloa is our Tausoga.
How do we say birthday in Samoan?
Birthday is fanau.
Toloa turned 12 today. Yay!
Happy birthday, Toloa.
Aww, thank you guys. I love you both too. Thanks again for coming to my party.
We brought you a present, Lucky. How do you say present in Samoan?
Present is Alofa.
Oh, thanks my lovely cousins. I can't wait to open it later. Hey guys, my birthday party is about to start. Everyone, let's enjoy the party. We will start by playing a game.
Yay! Before we play, party is fiafianga and games is ta'alonga. I can't wait to play.
Oh look! It's a piñata. I'm so excited to play a piñata. Woo! That was fun.
So fun.
Look at those balloons. They are so pretty. There's so many different colors.
I like balloons too. In Samoan, balloons are called Palugi.
I love balloons.
Everyone, gather around. It's time for me to blow my birthday cake.
Looks delicious. Lucky, how do you say cake in Samoan?
Cake is Keke.
Yum! Keke. Now everybody, let's all sing the happy birthday song before Toloa blows her cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Toloa. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Make a wish and blow your candle.
Oh, thanks everyone. While you enjoy the cake, I will open my presents. I'm so excited.
Open our present first, please.
Do you like it?
Wow, a dress! It's so beautiful. I love it. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
We had a wonderful time with you today.
Me too. I had a fun day celebrating with my family.
Before we leave, let's repeat all the words we learned today.
Family,
Aiga,
cousin,
Tausoga,
party,
fiafianga,
birthday,
fanau,
presents,
Alofa,
cake,
Keke,
balloons,
Palugi,
games.
ta'alonga. Well done.
Yes! Great job!
Thanks again for coming. A little learning tip. To learn Samoan faster, make sure to practice all your words you've learnt here with your family and friends.
That's true. Remember, the best way to learn is practice.
See you guys next time.
Bye.